What's up, my lovers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Robina, and if you're a returning subscriber, a regular day one supporter, thank you so much for tuning in once again. So in today's video, as you've already seen by the title of the video, I'm going to be doing this quick get ready with me look that you see right here. So if you're interested in knowing how I came up with this beautiful look that you see, just keep on watching. But before you do that, make sure that you subscribe down below. You can as well tap the notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. This is going to be a quick get ready for me, and yes, I am going out to meet with someone, so I wanted to look all cute. So let's get started. To start off, I'm gonna be using this pencil right here to draw my eyebrows. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with my bottom part to line up these babies. Ooh. Drawing hair-like structures just to mimic the natural hairs of the eyebrow, and then we're going to do the same on this other side. Okay, so I think I'm happy with the shape of the eyebrows, so let me go ahead and conceal these babies. So to conceal my eyebrows, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is in the shade medium beige. And this is the brush that I'm going to be using to sculpt out my eyebrows. That's how it looks, a flat brush. So I'm gonna just put a few pumps of that at the back of my hand. My eyebrows are done, and the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. And to prime today, I'm using this e.l.f. hydrating primer, and I'm gonna put a few pumps of that into my skin and the forehead as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this brush to spread it all over the face. Next, I'm going to apply my foundation. I'm going to be mixing these two foundations. They're the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and one is in the shade Caramel and the other is in the shade Cappuccino. So I'm gonna mix those two and get my perfect shade. Already mixed those at the back of my hand. That's how it looks. I'm gonna apply using this flat brush. Put it on my face like that. And to blend out, I'm gonna use this Real Techniques blending brush. I'm going to go ahead and start blending the foundation in. Go ahead and conceal with this same concealer that I used to sculpt out my eyebrows by Illegal. Once again, it's in the shade medium beige. So I'm gonna start with my under eyes. Go ahead and blend. Going ahead to blend the concealer, my chin area. I'm gonna use my hands to put that on. I'm gonna use this blush to blend. I'm gonna use this blush to blend. I'm using this Sasha Buttercup setting powder. Take a brush, tap off the excess powder, and then I'm going to go right and press the powder on all the parts that I've applied my concealer on. Set it so that it stays in one place and doesn't move around. Same as this side. So now I'm going to go ahead and contour my face, and to contour I'm using this Black Radius 2 Complexion contour palette. That's how it looks. I'm going to be taking this color right in the middle. I'm gonna just do a little bit of contouring. Nothing much. I don't want. My perimeters of the face as well. I'm going to contour my nose as well using a smaller brush. Okay. Apply some blush. Where did I put the blush? Apply some brush on top of where I put the cream brush. Ooh. The same shade that I used on my to contour, I'm gonna just let me first blend this concealer again because I don't want to have any creases in my eyes. Use this contour shade all over my eyes on the crease area. And do the same on this other side, nothing much. The same contour palette, just rubbing this all over the crease area. Some mascara on the eyes. I'm gonna go and set my face again with this Maybelline Fit Me setting spray. Anyway, so for my lips, I'm going to go ahead and line with this eye pencil that I used on my eyebrows, and go ahead and add this orange color in the middle. In the middle. Let's go ahead and add some clear gloss on top. Alright guys, this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you love this video, please give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share, comment down below, and also subscribe if you have not yet already. And yes guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.